Hi,
Hello, teacher.
how are you?
I'm good.
Okay, that's great. That's wonderful. So now, are you ready to continue our lesson?
Yes,
Okay, that's good. So, have you eaten your dinner yet?
yes.
Okay, that's good. So now we will continue our lesson. So, are you ready?
Yes.
That's great. So, how about this? Can you see my screen? Can you see it already?
Yes.
Okay, great. So now let's continue. What was our lesson last time again? Do you remember it? It's all about how do I contact you? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so you remember that one? It's all about the numbers, the address, email address. So you remember that one? Do you remember that one?
Good morning.
Okay, that's great. So now let's continue this lesson. Okay, so this time you will arrange these words into correct order. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, that's great. So start with number one.
Good morning.
Very good. Number two.
What what is your address?
Address. Address. Can you
Ad-
say? Okay. Address. Can you say it again?
Address.
Okay. So number three. What is number three?
What is your phone number?
Okay, very good. How about number four?
My address is 3 West Street, New York, USA.
Okay, very good. How about number five?
My my phone number is 214674875.
Okay, very good. How about number six?
My email address is
Boom.
google.outlook.com.
Okay, very good. How about number seven?
My address is 3 Green Street, London, England.
Okay, very good. How about number eight?
Take care.
Okay, wonderful. So you're good at this one in correcting the orders. How about this one? Your turn to ask. Okay, you will ask me these questions from one to three. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So ask me with number one. What is number one?
What is your phone number?
Okay, so my
My
phone. I will answer this one. Okay?
okay.
Okay, so I will answer this one. So my phone number is 3846137455. Number two, ask me number
Okay.
two.
My address is 15 Street, London, England.
Okay, very good. Number three, what is your email address?
My email address is
Best tutor.
besttutor@outlook.com.
Okay, very good. How about this one? What is your phone number with this one?
My phone number is 029342A1A1.
Very good. How about number two? What is your address?
My address is 453 Paris, France.
Okay, very good. How about number 3? What is your email address?
My email address is inner@gmail.com.
Okay, very good. So that is all about how do I contact you. Okay, so let's move on to another lesson, okay?
Okay.
Okay, by this one, we will gonna learn another lesson. So let's see what lesson are we gonna learn today. Oh, it's all about, we will review from lesson 1 to 4, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So this one, we will gonna review our lesson from 1 to 4, okay?
Okay.
So we will practice and review from what we have learned in lessons 1 to 4. So here, warm up. Can you say these letters, all the letters? Can you
Yeah.
read? Okay, so read. What letters are this from A to Z?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T,
U.
U, V,
Okay. W.
W,
X.
X, Y, Z,
Okay, so what letter again this one? What letter is this again? This one? It's letter.
U,
Okay, very good. How about this one?
W.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's move on to numbers. We're done with the alphabet. We'll move on to numbers. So here, can you count these numbers from 1 to 20?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, very good. So here, you will gonna tell me what letters you see in the picture, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so here, what letters are this? Letter, this one, it's letter.
Link.
Okay, so what letter is Ling? What letters are composing the name of Ling? It's letter, this one, it's letter, what letter is this one?
Link.
Okay, so Ling is having a letters from L-I-N-G, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so what letters are this one from Ling? It's letter, letter.
L-I-N-G.
Okay, very good. So that is letter L-I-N-G. Very good. So this one, how many are these apples?
He is,
It has one, two. How many apples are there in this one? There
he
are.
is in, there are 11 apples.
Okay, very good. So let's see if it's 11 apples. Okay. One, two,
1, 2, 3,
three,
4,
four, five.
5, 6,
Okay, this one, seven,
7, 8,
eight,
9, 10,
10. And
11.
Okay, very good. It has 11 apples. Wow. You're good at counting also. Okay, this one. This one. What letters are this? This one. It's letter.
H,
And this one.
Y,
U.
Unwo.
Okay, you know. So this one. What letter is this?
H, Y, U, N, W.
Oh.
O.
Okay, very good. How about this? What letters are this?
Haruto.
Okay, it's
H,
Haruto.
H, A, R, U, T, O.
Okay, wonderful. So this one, how many apples are there?
There are 4 apples.
Okay, very good. It's obvious that there are 4 apples. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay,
Okay,
so this one, how many apples are there?
there are 8 apples.
Okay, 8 apples. So can you count if it's 8? Okay, start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Okay, very good. How about this one? So Arisa, can you say Arisa?
A, R, I, S, 8.
Okay, very good. How about this one? How many apples are there in this one?
There are 15 apples.
There are.
Fif- There are 16 apples.
16. So can you count if it's 16? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16.
Okay, very good. Confirm that it is 16 apples. Okay, very good. So here, I will say the words and you will repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so here, phone number.
Phone number.
Okay, very good. How about name?
Name.
Family name.
Family name.
Email address.
Email address.
Speak.
Speak.
From.
From.
Office worker.
Office worker.
Sick.
Sick.
And office.
Office.
Okay, very good. So that words are coming from our lessons from 1 to 4. Okay, so we've encountered phone number, right? From lesson 4.
Okay.
Okay, very good. So this one, we will gonna answer the questions by filling in the blanks, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we will gonna use the words in this one, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so here, I will ask you, what is your name?
My name is Lin.
Okay, very good. How about, what is your family name? My
family
name.
name is Jen.
Okay, very good. So can you say it again? Can you repeat it again?
My family name is Jen.
Okay, that's great. Wonderful. How about this? How are you?
I am sick.
Okay, very good. I am sick. So here, where are you from?
I am from Japan.
Okay, very good. So, what language do you speak?
I speak Japanese.
Very good. I speak Japanese. Okay, this one. What do you do?
I am an office worker.
Okay, very good. How about this one? Where do you work?
I work in an office.
Okay, that's great. Wonderful. How about this? What is your phone number?
My phone number is 91986744239.
Very good. How about this? What is your email address?
My email address is tanaka@gmail.com.
Very good. Okay, so that's it. You are good with this one. You've remembered the office worker, the office, that you are sick, the phone number, your email address. So good. You're very good at this one. You've learned a lot from our lesson from 1 to 4. Okay, this one. We will be having the matching type, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so tell me the answer that matches the statements or questions, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so number 1, when I say hello.
Hi.
Okay, very good. So number 2, how do you spell your family name? When you say spell.
TANAKN.
Okay, very good. So that is how you spell your family name, okay?
Okay.
Very good. So number 3, where do you live?
I live in Taipei.
Okay, very good. How about you?
I am good. Thanks.
Okay, very good. How about number 5? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, very good. Number 6, what do you do?
I am a nurse.
Wow, very good. How about number 7? What is your what is your address rather?
My address is 23 Restaurant, Tokyo.
Okay, very good. How about number 8? Take care.
You too.
Wow, very good. So let's go back again to master this one. If I say hello, what would you respond?
Hi.
Okay, very good. How about when I say, how do you spell your family name?
TANAKA.
Very good. How about when I say, where do you live?
I live in Taipei.
Okay, that's great. How about number 4? When I say, how about you?
I'm good. Thanks.
Very good. How about number 5? When I say, nice to meet you?
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, great. How about when I say, what do you do?
I am a nurse.
Wow, very good. When I say, what is your address?
My address is 23 Restaurant, Tokyo.
Wow, very good. How about when I say, take care?
You too.
Okay, very good. So now we will have another exercise which is ordering, okay? You will gonna put the words into the correct order again. Okay?
My Okay.
Okay, that's great. Number 1, what is the correct order?
My name is Arisa.
Very good. Number 2,
My family name is
Sutirat.
Sutira.
Very good. Number 3,
I am Tyra.
very good. Number 4,
I am from Thailand.
very good. Number 5,
I speak Thai and English.
Very good. How about number 6?
I live in Bangkok.
Very good. Number 7.
I work in a hospital.
Okay, very good. Number 8.
My address is 123 Restaurant, Tokyo.
Okay, very good. So let's repeat it again. Number 1, what is the correct order?
My name is Arisa.
Very good. Number 2.
My family name is Satira.
Okay, very good. Very good. Number 3.
I am tired.
Very good. Number 4.
I am from Thailand.
Very good. Number 5.
I speak Thai and English.
Wow, very good. Number 6.
I live in Bangkok.
Very good. Number 7.
I work in a hospital.
Great. Very good. Number 8.
My address is 123 Restaurant, Tokyo.
Wow, very good. So this one, when I say, how are you?
I am good.
Very good. So what is your name?
My name is Ha.
Okay, what is your family name?
Teacher, may I go out?
Okay, okay. So what would you do? You will pee? You will drink water?
Drink water.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
Oh, you're fast. You're fast. Okay, so number 3. We will continue, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so number 3, what is your family name?
My family name is Papaya.
Okay, so how do you spell that?
Um,
It's hard to spell?
and
Okay, so that is your family name. Okay, this one. Oh, it's here. Let's move on from here. So where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Very good. So what language do you speak?
I speak Vietnamese, English.
Okay. Korean?
Yeah.
A little bit. Okay. And where do you live?
I live in Denmark City.
Okay. And what do you do? You are studying.
I am an officer worker.
Okay, very good. And where do you work?
I work in a officer.
Okay, very good. You've learned that in our lesson. So here it's already done. Okay, let's review this one so that we can master. What is this again? Here. Oh, it's done already. So here, how many apples are there again?
There are 11 apples.
Very good. So who is this one? He is
Hindu.
very good. How about this one? He is
He is Haruto.
very good. How about this one? She is
She is Ling.
okay, very good. How about this? Who is she? This one. She is.
She is Arisa.
Very good. Here.
There are 4 apples.
Wow, very good. How about this one?
There are 8 apples.
Okay, that's great. So now, since we are done with our lesson, for your assignment, I will just post it. Oh no, just study the remaining lesson here, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so this one, what is your brother's name, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So I think that is our lesson for today. That ends for our lesson today, okay?
Okay.
See you next time after the holiday, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so take care.
You too.
Okay, very good. Okay, bye. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.